Welcome to our comprehensive guide on facial filler treatments. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know about this popular cosmetic procedure. You know, as a dermatologist, I've seen my fair share of skin concerns. And while I find beauty in all its forms, I also understand the desire to enhance and rejuvenate. Facial fillers offer a minimally invasive way to address those pesky signs of aging that can leave us feeling a little less than our best. So, if you've been curious about facial fillers and want to separate fact from fiction, you've come to the right place. So, what exactly are facial fillers? Imagine these as little plumping agents for your face. They're gel-like substances that are injected beneath the skin to smooth out wrinkles, restore volume, and enhance facial contours. It's like giving your face a little pick-me-up. Now, there are different types of fillers available, each with its own unique properties and uses. The most common type is made from hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring sugar found in our bodies. Hyaluronic acid is a hydration superstar. It attracts and retains water, adding volume and plumpness to the skin. Other types of fillers include calcium hydroxyapatite, poly-L-lactic acid, and polymethyl methacrylate. Each filler has its own personality, so to speak, and your doctor will help you choose the one that best suits your needs and goals. Now, you might be wondering, what can facial fillers actually do for me? Well, let me tell you, they're like those magic wands that can erase years from your appearance. One of the primary uses of facial fillers is to combat wrinkles and fine lines. Those pesky lines around your mouth, forehead, and eyes? Fillers can soften their appearance, giving you a smoother, more youthful look. But it's not just about wrinkles. Fillers can also add volume to areas that may have lost fullness over time, like your cheeks and lips. Think of it as restoring the youthful plumpness that naturally diminishes with age. Some fillers are even used to improve facial symmetry, enhance jawlines, and minimize the appearance of scars. So, you're interested in the after effects? One of the best things about facial fillers is that the results are visible almost immediately. You'll notice a difference as soon as the swelling subsides, usually within a day or two. It's like instant gratification. Your skin will look smoother, plumper, and more refreshed. But here's the thing, the initial effects will gradually soften over time as your body metabolizes the filler. Don't worry though, this is completely normal. The long-term effects are still impressive. Fillers stimulate collagen production, which is like giving your skin a boost from within. This means that even after the filler is absorbed, your skin will continue to benefit from the treatment. Now, it's important to remember that while facial fillers are generally safe, they're not for everyone. Just like any medical procedure, there are some situations where it's best to avoid them. For instance, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to postpone your filler appointment. And of course, if you have any allergies to the filler material, you'll want to steer clear. Certain medical conditions, such as bleeding disorders or active skin infections, may also make you unsuitable for fillers. It's crucial to have a thorough consultation with a qualified professional who can assess your medical history and determine if fillers are right for you. So, what can you expect when you go for a facial filler treatment? First things first, you'll have a consultation with the practitioner. They'll evaluate your areas of concern, discuss your goals, and recommend the best type of filler for you. Then comes the actual procedure. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. The practitioner will cleanse your skin and may apply a topical numbing cream to minimize any discomfort. Using a fine needle, they'll inject the filler into the targeted areas. You might feel a slight pinch or pressure, but it's generally well tolerated. Afterward, they'll apply ice to reduce swelling and give you aftercare instructions. It's a pretty straightforward procedure, and you can usually resume your normal activities right away. Now, let's talk about why facial fillers have become so popular. What are the advantages of choosing fillers over other cosmetic procedures? Well, for starters, fillers offer natural-looking results. They can subtly enhance your features without making you look done. Plus, they're non-surgical and minimally invasive, meaning there's no cutting, stitching, or lengthy downtime. Another great advantage is that the results are customizable. You can choose how much or how little volume you want to add, giving you control over your final look. And unlike some other procedures, the results of fillers are not permanent. This gives you flexibility and allows you to adjust your treatment plan as you age. One of the most common questions I get asked is, how long will my fillers last? And it's a valid question. The longevity of filler results can vary depending on a few factors, including the type of filler used, the area treated, and your individual metabolism. On average, hyaluronic acid fillers tend to last anywhere from 6 to 18 months. Some fillers, like calcium hydroxyapatite, can last even longer, up to 2 years. It's important to note that the filler will gradually break down over time, and you'll eventually need touch-up treatments to maintain your results. So, who are the ideal candidates for facial filler treatment? Well, fillers are a great option for adults of all ages who are looking to address signs of aging, enhance their features, or restore lost volume. If you're bothered by wrinkles, fine lines, or hollow areas in your face, fillers can be a game changer. They're also a good choice for people who want to improve their facial contours, such as defining their jawline or adding volume to their lips. Essentially, if you're in good overall health, have realistic expectations, and are committed to maintaining your results, you're likely a good candidate for fillers. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I'm not a suitable candidate for fillers? Don't worry, there are other options out there. If fillers aren't right for you, there are alternative cosmetic treatments that can help you achieve your desired results. For example, if you're looking to address wrinkles and fine lines, Botox is a popular choice. It works by relaxing the muscles that cause wrinkles, resulting in a smoother appearance. Other options include chemical peels, microdermabrasion, laser skin resurfacing, and even lifestyle changes like sun protection and a healthy diet. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to beauty, and it's all about finding what works best for you. Thank you for watching our guide on facial filler treatments. I hope you found this information helpful in understanding this popular cosmetic procedure. If you're considering facial fillers, remember to consult with a qualified and experienced professional to determine the best treatment plan for your individual needs and goals. They can assess your skin, discuss your concerns, and ensure that you achieve safe and satisfying results. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to making informed decisions about your appearance. So do your research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to explore all your options. Most importantly, embrace your unique beauty and do what makes you feel confident and radiant.